Hi, this is Watch Hobby, and today I got another unboxing. Actually, I got this watch quite some time ago when I was in Japan. So this was bought in I think it was Tokyo Narita airport. So as you can see from the cover, it is a Citizen watch. Let me open the box. Not that big, small box, as you can see here. These are some of the prints on the box itself. Citizen. So this is actually the carrying box. This is the receipt that I got the watch from. Japanese receipts. What else do you get inside? So you have the Citizen warranty card, professional warranty card, and the watch itself. This is the Citizen Silver Leaf Lacquered Urushi Aquamarine Blue, reference number NB1060-12L. This is a JDM. You can't find this anywhere else officially, except from in Japan. Beautiful dial, look at that. Nice. Oops, let's see. That's all. Anyway, I'll do a full review on this watch. Just follow my blog, and once it's up, you'll be able to read my views and feel about this particular timepiece. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do follow the channel. Bye bye for now.